let's talk about used to. Used to has two different meanings, right? This is why it's difficult. Sometimes it means a thing that I did in the past. It's like usually in the past, right? This is one meaning of used to. Like, I used to go to school, or I used to have long hair, or I didn't used to. Like, I didn't used to be an English teacher, or I didn't used to like pizza. Or we could ask a question, did you used to? For example, did you used to be the president of France? Was this your job in the past, right? Did you used to be a TV star? You look very familiar. You have a familiar face. Did you used to be a TV star? For example. So we could ask a question like this, right? This is all about something that we did in the past, and it was regular for us. It was usual for us. But sometimes used to also means that something is okay for us. It's comfortable. It's comfortable for us, right? Something is not difficult, not uncomfortable. So here we say, I am used to. I am used to. Before we said I used to, and now we say I am used to. These are different things, right? Because this is to be used to. So up here, it's just used to. But here we have to be used to. I am used to. For example, I am used to waking up early. This is something that is normal for me, something that is easy, comfortable for me. I am used to waking up early. Or I'm not used to. I'm not used to speaking French. This is difficult for me. I will feel uncomfortable doing this, right? I'm not used to speaking French. Maybe you go to a job interview and the person speaks French with you and you say, I'm not used to speaking French in a job interview. Next, are you used to? This means like, are you comfortable? Is this easy? Is this regular for you, right? We could say, are you used to having a conversation in English, for example, right? Are you used to working on Saturdays? For example, we might ask this question. Like, is that okay for you? Are you comfortable with that? So this is to be used to. And the biggest difference, the thing that will really help us remember that there's a different meaning is when we just say used to about something in the past, like I used to have long hair, then here we have the infinitive. So to be, to do, to see, to think, to have, to go, right? We say, I used to, and then this part of the verb. Like, I used to be an astronaut. Or, I used to be a singer. I used to be a singer. Here we need to use be, the form be. This is called infinitive. With to be used to, we would use the gerund, ing. We need to say ing, right? So I am used to being an English teacher. I'm comfortable with this. This is okay for me. This is regular, normal for me. I am used to being an English teacher. Here we need to say being. I am used to being. But if we talk about what I did in the past, I used to be. Right? So we use the infinitive form here, and we use the gerund form here. We can also use this with to get used to. To get used to. So in our last lesson on Monday, when we were on Facebook, we talked about be and get. Right? Get is like become. So if be used to means be comfortable, then to get used to means to become comfortable, right? First, it's not comfortable, and then we change, and it is comfortable. So we could say, I got used to. For example, I wasn't always a morning person, but I got used to waking up early. Right? But I changed. I became more comfortable with waking up early. I got used to. I got used to waking up early. Again, we need to say ing. I got used to waking up early. So let's look at one more example. If we say, I used to wake up early. I used to wake up early. This means in the past, I did this usually. In the past, I did this regularly, every day, right? I used to wake up early. And it means that now I do not wake up early. It's not true. If I say I am used to waking up early, it means that this is comfortable for me. This is okay for me. It's not difficult. I am used to waking up early. And if we say, I got used to waking up early, it means in the past, it was not comfortable for me. It was not okay. But I changed, and now it is okay. Right?